Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here at Millionaire Mom. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button and hit the notifications button for top tips on how to make money online, how to promote your business, how to get the tools that you need and all that jazz. I've got something exciting to tell you. I'm going to share my screen. I've discovered this guy here. 1 second. Where's he gone? Here he is. Da, 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 da. ThioJoe has got 2 million subscribers. Okay, 2 million subscribers. With this video, I just made this video here. So I'm going to show you step by step what I did. This is a secret hack. It might be taken down at any time. What you have to do, I don't know whether it's going to work. What you have to do is you have to copy the title with the spaces. Right, with the spaces. So you have to put the channel name, a space, dash, space, algorithmic boost request, 3 different words, space, hash, space, the number of YouTube channel subscribers you want, like, you know, he's got 2 million, as long as it's not too many, like 10 million or 20 million or 100 million, you'll be all right. Followed by hashtag YT boost request, 1 word joined together with the capitals. Now, if you do that, guys, within a week or so, you'll see your viewers go, whee! Check it out, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.